Hi, I'm Len. Today, I came at the club fried rice restaurant in Shibuya. So, like this. It's not fried rice, but it's related with the club. And these are the fried rice with club. Okay, let's enjoy together. Let's go. I will try this one. Club fried rice.
자, 카니 차.
In Japan, to change dishes like ramen, gyoza, dumplings is really famous and really popular. Okay, now let's try this one. Okay, いただきます。いただきます。いただきます。Really good. やばい。So like this. So the chef are making here, so we can eat a really fresh menu. So that's why it's really hot and it's really fresh. So this rice is very hot, but this crab is not hot, so it's like of course this is seafood, so that's why it's a little bit cold. So this collaboration is really nice. Then thanks for watching this video. So if you like this video, please leave comment and please subscribe our channel. So if you subscribe our channel, I will be really happy. So thanks for watching. Bye. Bye bye.